Ladies and gentlemen, this part 2. We did some work on this Morris Minor 1962. We did the flooring. Floor was a little bit rusty. Just use a rivet, whatever we had. So we repaired these two floor, little wings here. So now we're gonna put the roof on. There's some parts, Morris Minor parts. Now what we do, we're gonna cut this piece off from the top because there are different sizes. So the top bit's more or less same as our car. The size like a few millimeters or 1 centimeter is different, but the bottom bit it get with the tummy both sides curve and much wider on the bottom than the top one. So what we do, we're gonna chop it from here up to here that we need it, and we fit it on the back. We did exactly here where they're gonna go next to this wood. So we're gonna secure it up to there and then come up to here. So that's what we're gonna do. So for time being, and we had to do the seats. The seat is quite low. As you notice, there's no seat belt on these cars. By law at the time they didn't need the seat belts. Even now we don't need the seat belt 2019. Well, what we do, because the seats are too low, we're gonna bring them up. We put a bracket underneath them. We bring them a little bit up, both of them, and that's it for this part. I think I don't have anything else to say. So look at this beautiful stainless steel wiper blades. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna keep the original, but we're gonna change the rubber. We repair them because this original one, we're gonna keep them on. I'll show you the engine. Look at this beautiful engine. Oh, if you don't have a bonnet catch, we're gonna put a bonnet. That's an alternator, or old days they used to call the dynamo, like a bicycle had the dynamo. It's a dynamo coil, 4-cylinder engine, beautiful. Suspension is quite beautiful. Look at the suspension. It's an old fill on the top, and the bars going out each side towards the wheels. Both. This is the fuel pump, electric fuel pump. It's quite simple and beautiful. Nice engineering, British engineering. Even look at the fan, just two propeller. Distributor. It's quite nice, beautiful, so beautiful. What more we're gonna tell you? Oh, and there's a little hole here, so the crank go there straight to the engine. You can turn it by hand to start the engine. It's beautiful steel work. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful, 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 unbelievable. So see you in part 3 when we start doing the roof. Thanks for watching. Bye.